I'm Mahi, the founder of Accountant AI, and today we are giving a tour on the Accountant AI application so that you can get to know all of our features. So plus you can know how to use them properly going to your dashboard, right? So there is an industry section from where you can get to know how it is impactful for your business. For example, if you are from real estate business or you're from general business, you get to know these features and their impact, like the real-time updates, plus how many hours is saving per month, its efficiency, every single thing, right? And we got some frequently asked question here. You can check this out, plus some blogs on how to use Accountant AI plus other stuff. Then you can get started for free, right? So let's get started. Perfect. Now we want to see how Accountant AI helps you on automation, right? So for example, let's say I so this will be a regarding transaction, right? So this is our active transaction feature. So you see this is the feature. You can export it if you want. For multiple data you can export it. Then you can see the inside, is it recurring, is it due, paid, or the title. Even you can edit them as you need if you want. If you don't change the date, you can do this too. Then save as you have to save this as a project in a project. So let's say this is my monthly income as your e-commerce client, right? So save the project. This is now already saved, right? Awesome, fine. So now we can preview this transaction. Then we can chat with the assistant and visit the analytics. Okay, let's forget this for now. And from the documents, we can convert the PDF, the Excel, or the images up to 5 images. So let's see. There's a PDF of my bank statement. Okay. All of my transactions are there, right? So you can see all of your converter. You can use this as a converter. Also, you can export all the data like this, CSV or Excel, whatever you want. Say I want CSV type. There's a title, amount type, everything here, currency, including every single small details, right? So you can see the file URL connected with this also. Then we have to save this somewhere. Save. Yes. Our recent transaction has been updated, plus this amount is also updated, and we can see this transaction here on this list. For example, all the projects are selected for now. I can filter it. We can see the projects, plus I can filter it as I want, right? So we can use this application as an converter for any account, right? So we can edit it, update it, or do it anything. We can filter it by credit, or we can maintain the visibility of this table, everything we can do here. Now let's see, we can make an invoice from there. We can view the details, edit the transaction. Let's make an invoice first. So here from the transaction, let's say I have a company name, and my tagline is okay. I select. Okay, let's leave it for now. Or I want to send it to get against this 𝗙𝗵𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 subscription, right? So I can add the items if I want, but I don't need this right now. So let's say we can preview this data here, right? So data is here. You can change the options from here, like show text, or maybe you can show the amount is due or not, amount is paid or not, every single thing from here. We can select the logo also. Then we can download it. Then we can send the invoice, which is another good feature from our platform. You can see the Gmail preview of how your user will receive it. You can customize the for your business data, right? So you can update this here. Then okay, fine. We have to put the client details, like let's say this is my email. I'm sending for now. WhatsApp is visible, but we can send the email. So you can click to preview your email, how it is going to see, right? So let's send it. Now our invoice history will be there. We can see whom we have sent, plus his contact, plus the invoice link we have sent, right? So it's a place where you can get everything in a single place. Perfect. So now let's go for the AI assistant, which is another big feature of our platform. So yeah, so this is my previous chat. Previously I had done some chat with the AI, so it becomes helpful for sometimes when you can get some transaction details here, like receipt income, paid expenses, or you can change the project and chat with him very gently. E-commerce client, if you select it, then it will come up with this data, right? So let's say I want to know how much I spent cost. You give me an answer, right? So yeah, depending on your data, it will give you an answer. Perfect. So for now, we are just leaving this and going to our projects. You can see all your projects here listed. You can export the data from here regarding this project, CSV or Excel, and you can view this project too, only the data of this project, right? That actually makes sense. Plus you can add the transaction from here. Plus we have some shortcut. You can press Ctrl K. You can create the project, you can create a transaction, you can view all projects, you can go to your profile, you can change the language or default currency. Maybe you want to see your plan information, current plan, second details. Also, now go to our details and analytics section. Right, today is August and I want to know my monthly income expense. Fine. Total transaction is 50 here, total income expense and difference, plus upcoming transaction also there. I can mark them as paid when I'm paying this. I can see this calendar view, right? So there are some expenses, income trends. Then if I go to the all view of the scheduled transaction, I can see the upcoming. You can track the upcoming income expense, subscription, membership fees, etc. from here. For example, I have monthly transfer to skip that I have created previously. This is now here. If I is saying due will be soon, right? So if I mark is complete, it should be paid, right? So amount is completed. This amount has been updated here. So this is very cool. So you can update the types, you can update the payments, like received or paid or unpaid. You can update the overdue, due, or upcoming status. Now, the accountant report, which is an instant report that is being generated by depending on your transaction. You don't need to hire a personal accountant for your income statement or balance sheet or cash flow. These small things we are taking care of it. So yeah, this is what accountant AI